Hi, I'm Jill, the AI bot built by the team at PHOCIS Tech. This deck is about one thing. Post-close capital shouldn't sit trapped in escrow when it can sit under your EIN, on bank-grade custody rails, with lender control and audit-ready reporting. Here's the quiet problem nobody advertises. You've got capital allocated, like the $20 million shown here, but escrow drag hits you in basis points, time, and access. On this slide, 75 bips turns into $150K annually. That's not a theoretical loss. It's margin bleeding out through an outdated workflow. PHOCIS replaces the choke point with digital clearing accounts. Funds stay on your side of the ledger, with Wells Fargo custody supporting the infrastructure. You keep the reporting, the control, and the option for revenue via our APY earning clearing accounts. Our infrastructure was built by a bank. For a bank, custody first, controls second, reporting always. Funds are held under your EIN, with pass-through FDIC coverage applied to the beneficial owner. Everything is encrypted, logged, and designed to be audit-ready, not trust me ready. Operationally, it's simple. 1. Your loan funds. 2. You create the right sub-account structure and wire in the proceeds. 3. Funds are available. 4. Where eligible, Treasury features can be applied based on your policies. And yes, sub-accounts are created instantly. Here's where escrow's role ends and lender control begins. Transaction completes, capital managed, PHOCIS clearing, policy-based handling, 24/7 lender control, funds released. The point is not complexity, it's accessibility and speed. This is the fun part. Let's talk real money, using $750K as an example. You already know escrow is invoicing you $3,000 to $5,000, but did you know with PHOCIS, the same $750K over 14 months earns $4,688? That's a wild revenue swing. This is our no hype, just math, tied to durations and balances argument. Check the scoreboard. Escrow can't do lender-titled accounts that earn revenue, and fintech players don't understand our industry. PHOCIS Tech is purpose-built to securely and legally monetize your post-close capital. Period. Let's take a beat and discuss our traction. It now makes total sense why so many lenders have adopted our first-to-market tech. Within our first 3 months of operating, starting Q4 of 2025, we added 18 active lenders and $22.2 million in AUM. That's not interest, that's industry adoption. Last piece. We run PHOCIS Tech with integrity. We donate 3% of net proceeds to the Tributary Foundation, supporting veterans dealing with PTSD and TBI. Our CEO served in the United States Marine Corps with the founder of the Tributary Foundation. If you want to see what this looks like with your portfolio, book a 10-minute call with our founding CEO, Nate Cater. That's all for now. Thank you for your time and consideration. We look forward to hearing from you very soon. From our team at PHOCIS Tech, thank you.